Hi, families and small group leaders. Hope you're doing well. This is Mr. Zach here with BC Kids. I want to share an awesome new resource with you. BC Kids is making available great gospel-centered, biblically based curriculum and lesson plans for you to use with your kiddos. So the website to do this is bctulsa.com/project/bckids-lessons. It is password protected because we have purchased licenses for our families for this curriculum. So to access it, it's going to be all lowercase, one word, BC Kids. And I'm going to give you an overview of the web page so you know how to use it. All right, so at the top of the page, a little explanation of why we're making this available for you all. If you need to reach out, you can email us directly from the page, go to our main BC Kids webpage, or join our Facebook group. We're going to be adding stuff about the curriculum on a regular basis to the Facebook group, as well as that's where small groups and parents can share great ideas about what they're doing with their kiddos to disciple them. The next four little quadrants of the website are really the heart of this website. So we have customized four different options for you based on your environment. So if you've got kiddos in your family or small group all the way from age 3 to 4th grade, you're going to want to use our mixed age lessons here. And I'll go through in detail what the lessons actually look like. If you've got just littles at home or in your small group, better to use as ages 3 to 6. And then we've got two elementary options here, 1st and 2nd grade, 3rd and 4th grade. The content, key Bible point, and passages are the same across all the age groups. The language and focus is going to be tailored to that specific age range. So that's why it's important to pick an age range that's appropriate to your environment. Below the lesson plans is just some key tips on how to use the curriculum. The curriculum it can range from 20 minutes to an hour and 20 minutes based on what you want. The 20 minutes is the core Bible discovery here. So if you're looking through your curriculum and you're seeing these icons and you want to know what they mean, they're activity block icons, and this is a little description on the webpage of what they are. So for example, the core Bible discovery is going to be the heart of every lesson. That takes about 15-20 minutes. And you can just do that, right? Or you can add on all the other activity blocks to up to an hour and 20 minutes in your space. The good thing is each activity block builds on the core Bible discovery, so you can pick and choose and use whichever you want. When you open up your curriculum, it's a PDF file. You'll see an opening page with some tips for you as a parent or as a leader in a small group. Then the next page is just a lesson at a glance. It's going to have all of your supply needs, any links to worship videos or to teaching videos going to be there just to access really quickly. And then the heart of the PDF is going to be each activity block, section by section, going through the details. Below this on the web page is a little bit about the curriculum. So we're using Digging Into Foundations of Faith by Group Publishing. Beautiful curriculum that walks your kids through the character and person of God, as well as what God says about who our kiddos are and the basics of what it means to be a follower of Jesus, a Christian. So it's a beautiful curriculum. So I'm going to get into how to use these little boxes up here with the actual lessons. So they're little sliders. So if I hover over one, we've got 13 lessons currently built out into the program. If you want to see those lessons at a snapshot, you can hit the scope and sequence at the bottom. I'm going to come over here. You'll see the name of the lesson, the number it is. You'll see a date here. That's actually when we're actually doing this lesson in person in BC Kids in the building. So if you want to trek along with what's happening in the building, you can follow these dates. If not, you can do it at any pace you want to do. So you get a little bit of explanation of the Bible story, and you can go through like this and go through all 13 lessons. Then if you want to get to the PDF, you just click the button here. It's going to open up the PDF. You can download it, you can print it, whatever's best for you, or you can just keep it up on your iPad or your computer or your phone right here. So here's that first page where it's just some digging in, get an overview of the Bible passage you're going to look like, a little summary, the main Bible point, God is real, and every single activity block is going to really drive home that point in your summary verse. A little bit of digging deeper for you, a prayer prompt, and a quick tip. Each one's going to have a quick tip. Then here's that overview page So we've got a musical worship space with 3 different worship songs by group publishing. You can just click here. It'll send you to a Vimeo link. So you can watch it on your computer. You can hook it up to your TV, and you can experience musical worship in your living room, outside, something like that. You get a little opening, your core Bible discovery. See how it lists the supplies. Some of these will say adapted for at home or for in class, and you'll get specific supplies for that environment. This talk about video, so we included this in each of the lessons. It's a fun little, usually 5-minute video that reinforces the main Bible point. You get a low energy game, a little life application, and we added a craft at the end of each one in case you got a crafty small group or crafty family. That could be fun. That's an overview of one lesson and how to use this new awesome resource. If you have any questions, please reach out to me or Lori. We'd love to answer your questions, make this resource even better for you. If you want to know what's happening Sunday mornings with BC Kids, you can go to our main website here or here. And also want to encourage you to check out Bible Blast. It's a great family-driven discipleship program where you're taking your kids through the Bible, memorizing scripture, and learning the full story from Genesis all the way to the end. All right, families, love you. Hope this served you well.